Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 about putting in this white gap. I think I figured out a way that might save a few steps. Instead of filling them in and then changing the colors, we'll just use the colors from the first. But I need one of these lines to be on a perpendicular angle with my screen. So I'm going to just rotate it half the distance that we've been doing, which was 60. Now I have some flat objects. And then if you take a 2-point line, and the reason you want to do that is so you can measure and go, and then we're going to change our nudge factor to, let's go 0.2. Grab that line and move it up 0.2. Then, since we're working in the center of the page, Control D and make a duplicate, take this line and move it up here, and then rotate it 60 degrees, Control D, Control D, Control D, and I think that's got it. No, we need one more. Then all you're going to do is use your Smart Fill tool to fill them in. And so I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and I'm going to grab that color which I've already gotten. Now I'm going to go back to the Smart Fill and get my eyedropper, and I'm going to get that red. I'm going to put it there. I'm going to go back to the Smart Fill tool, get my eyedropper, get that purple, put it there. Go back to the Smart Fill tool, get the eyedropper, get this blue, put it there. Go back to the Smart Fill tool, get this light blue, put it there. And then one more color, eyedropper to green, and put it there. Now, all you have to do is select everything and left or right click your mouse, no line. So now you have it done, and then when you're ready, just if you want it in that same order, Control G to group it together and rotate it a negative 30 degrees, and it'll put it back to where that orange is on the top color. Maybe a little bit quicker, just another way to do it. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.